Guys, as I promised in my last video that I'm going to show you the best app so far that we can use to purchase your data as a data reseller. So now follow me to my Play Store now while I search for the app. So the name of the app is called My Online VTU. 𝗵𝗲𝗏𝐿𝐼𝗵𝗐U. My Online VTU. So this is it. So as you can see, this is it. This is the logo for you to identify it whenever you want to download your own app, My Online VTU. So you click on download. But right now I have downloaded it already. That is why I'm clicking on open right now. So as for you that you haven't downloaded it already, you can click on download here. So let me click on open. Then as a new user, all you have to do is to click on register. So click on register. Can you see registration successful? So after registering successfully, this is where it will take you to. So click on this small eye that is cancelled. Let me indicate it for you. This is where you click on to see your balance on the app. This small circle that looks like an eye. So click on it for you to check your balance. Right now I have 0 in my wallet, 0 naira. That is, there's no money in this app at all. And for you to be able to buy on this app, you need to fund your wallet. That is very, very essential. Right now on this app, we have a lot of things there. We have airtime, data paying, electricity, exam pains, cable TV, history, profile, and all that. So all these things I'll be explaining to you later. But right now I want to teach you how to fund your wallet. So before you fund your wallet, you need to verify your account. Yes, that is what we call account verification. Then click on this fund. Click on fund. Can you see start verify? That's when they send you OTP. That is one-time password. That are you the one initiating this transaction? Then if it's press yes, that is when they remove your money. But as long as you are just putting your VVN or your NIN, no one is withdrawing your money. As I said earlier, the app is secured because they are actually registered under CAC and also registered on Smart. And I can't recommend what I haven't tested. So then it will take you to this place, or if it doesn't take you to this place, you can log out and log in back. Don't forget, this is where I told you can view your balance. This is where I told you can view your balance. Can you see? Click on this eye. Can you see? It's minus 16 naira. I told you it will be debited after you fund your wallet, but now it is minus because you haven't funded your wallet. If you fund your wallet, it will be removed from your wallet. So if you haven't followed my page, subscribe to my channel, please do well and follow my page for more videos. Now after verifying your wallet, you can go ahead to fund your wallet by clicking on fund Sterling Bank, and this account number is just for me alone. Likewise, you have to verify your account. That account number is just for you alone. It's just like going to a bank to open an account. That is just what it means. And if you send money to this account, your wallet will be funded automatically. And the question is, how will they know that it is me that is sending money to this wallet? Don't worry, just calm down. It is programmed already. Now this is my 2 account that was given to me, 𝗵𝗲 and Sterling. Then I can go ahead to use 𝗵𝗲. I can proceed to use 𝗵𝗲. Now if you will ask, you might be asking yourself, oh, I don't use 𝗵𝗲 bank, how will I fund this wallet? No problem. You can use any bank app to send money to this wallet. All you have to do is to go to your phone and search for the app. Go to your phone apps, then search for My Online VTU. Even by pressing MY, the app will pop out. And let me indicate the app for you. This is how it looks like. Can you see? 𝗵𝗲𝗏𝗏, My Online VTU. So I click on this. No need of pressing register again. You don't have to press register again since you've registered already. We are just logging in. All you have to do is just to log in. I click on login. Then this is an account that I've logged in on this app before. Then if I'm logging it with another account, I'm going to click on sign in with a new account. But yours, you might not see that one. This is what will pop up in. Wow, this is just the app. Now let's see our balance. Can you see the money is being credited? The question you will ask me is that the money we sent to this app is just 2,000 naira. And how come we now met 1,890? Yes, hold on, I will answer your question. When verifying your wallet, when verifying our wallet, the other time we were charged 16 naira for wallet verification. That is when they gave us automated account number. Because without verifying it, they won't give us automated account. you will charge 16 naira for that, and it's once payment. Once they remove it, they can't remove it again. It's one and once for all. But for funding your wallet, you'll be charged 15 naira. Yes, you'll be charged 15 naira for wallet funding. Even if you fund 10,000 or 100,000, you will still be charged 15 naira. So that is why we have 1,890. So when next I'm funding now, they will only charge me 15 naira, and I will have my 1,915 on my wallet. I hope you understand now. Proceed, fund your wallet on my online video app. I hope this video is helpful. If it is helpful to you, if you like this video, share, subscribe, follow my page for more videos. Thank you very much. I will see you in my next video.